Okay, so a reminder, this is the thing where we have to draw a diagram to solve the question. So, here's the question. Julia saw 5 times as many cars as trucks in a parking lot. If she saw 30 cars and trucks all together in the parking lot, how many were trucks? So, we are going to draw a diagram to solve. It's the thing where we draw the boxes. So we look for the important things. First thing we have to figure out is, what are we talking about? We're talking about 2 things. We're talking about cars and trucks. So I'm going to put cars and trucks. Cars and trucks. Okay. She saw some number of cars we don't know. I put a box with an N in it. How many trucks did she see compared to the cars? Yusuf.
5 times.
5 times. It says it right in the question. 5 times as many. So, if cars are N, then trucks are going to be 5 of those.
No, Miss Lewis.
It's
cars.
It's 5 times as many cars.
That's true. If trucks, okay. If trucks is N, then cars is 5. Thank you.
Making some mistakes.
You're on YouTube.
Okay, so we have the picture. Trucks are some mystery number. There are 5 times as many cars. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 N's, regular N. How many are there all together? What did the problem say? How many vehicles are there? Athena? 6. How many vehicles are there all together? Cars and trucks. Stop drawing, please. In the problem, it says she saw how many cars and trucks? 30. So all together, this makes 30. Okay, we have the picture. Now we can write the equation. The equation, if you'll recall, is going to be something times n equals 30. Well, how many n's are on my board, Zena? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times n equals 30. So 6 times some mystery number equals 30. Can you think of a number that when you multiply it by 6, you get 30, Dia? 5. So n equals 5. So everywhere that I have an n on the board, I can change it to a 5 in every single box.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
On your paper, if you don't want to erase, you could just write it over. Okay, so now I've replaced all my n's with 5s. Now, we have to figure out, that's fantastic, but we have to figure out what the actual question is. Look for the question mark. Okay, what is it saying? The actual question is how many of the vehicles were trucks. So you should be able to solve this by looking at the picture. Omar? 5. 5 of them were trucks. If the question had been how many were cars, what would your answer have been? Suhaib? 25. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. If the question had been how many more cars than trucks were there, what would your answer have been? How many more cars than trucks?
60.
Ali? How many more cars than trucks? 20, right? If I have 5 trucks, 25 cars, I have 20 more cars. Those are the 3 kinds of questions they usually ask. They might ask you how many of this one, they might ask you how many of this one, or they might ask you how many more, or how many fewer. Okay, so that is algebra.
Okay. Bye.